Sweetie, what are you doing up? You should, uh, you should come back to bed. It's late. You can't sleep. Hmm. Yeah. It's all that coffee. Here, come back to bed with me. Hmm. Sweetie. So tell me why can't you sleep? Come on. You can tell me. I see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sweetie, you don't need to worry about that too much, okay? You don't. And I'll tell you why. Everyone's jealous of you, okay? They are. You're just so much prettier and better than they are, okay? I mean, that's the truth. They're just jealous, so they're just gonna hate on you. And just let the haters hate. It's okay. You don't have to think about it too much, okay? I mean, guys may be mean to you because you're taken and you're not giving them a chance, and girls are just mean, they hate on you because you're just so much prettier and better than they are, so don't worry, okay? You're my beautiful little princess. So yeah, don't worry too much. I'm serious. I mean, every time me and you walk in public, right, to the store or supermarket or an outlet, everyone's always looking at you. They are. They look at you and like, oh my god, she's so pretty. Then they look at me and they're like, hey, how did he get a guy like her? It's just who you are, and some people are gonna hate on it, some people won't. It's just the way that the world works, I'm serious. I mean, here, I'm gonna give you another example, okay? The other day when we were at the restaurant and you left, right? You left to use the bathroom, right? The waiter came up to me and the waiter was like, yo, bro, how'd you get a girl like that? She's fine, right? And I was like, yeah, I got her by not being myself, And he was shocked that I got you, so, like, you gotta understand that people are gonna hate you, and there's people that's gonna love you, right? Like me, I love you, so just don't worry about it. You can't just let haters get to your head like that, okay, sweetheart? No, sweetie. You have a hard time sleeping, don't you? I'm sorry. Just don't worry about it too much, okay? I'm serious. You do not need to worry about it. I remember when I first saw you, I thought, that you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so shocked and taken aback by your beauty. And I remember when I first saw you, I was scared of you, actually. was. I mean, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. And I wanted to come up and talk to you, but yeah, I was scared. But I knew. And I knew I had to come up and talk to you. So I mustered up the courage to walk towards you and try to introduce myself. And as I was walking, my heart was racing and my palms were sweaty. And I came up to you and I said, hi. And I remember when I said hi, the look that you gave me. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. Like, how dare this man ever come up to me and talk to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But yeah, when I was making small talk with you, I was so nervous. I didn't even know what to say, or I didn't even know what I was saying. But when I asked you out and asked you for your number, I was surprised that you said yes. I think that was like one of the most happiest moments of my life. Alright, sweetie. It's time for you to sleep, okay? It's getting late. Alright? Good night, my little princess. Good night, my little honeydew. Good night, my little avocado. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little grasshopper. Okay? Alright? Go to sleep now, okay, sweetie? Good night, my little princess. No, sweetie. You're not sleeping. You're hungry. Okay, we do have frozen food, okay? Alright. We got some lasagna, pasta, macaroni, chimichangas, taquitos, frozen pizza. We got ice cream here, green tea, Rocky Road, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. What else do we have? Salisbury steak. Is there anything you want? You want the lasagna? Sure. We will get you the lasagna, okay? Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food, okay? Here, eat up. You're so cute. Here, scoot over for a bit. Let's go cuddle for a bit.